friend of everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, Senator Tobias Enverga Jr.
Okay. Narito po si Mr. June Enverga, Senator June Enverga.
Maraming salamat. Nandito pala ang paboritong radio announcer. Di ba? Sinasabi ko parati na paborito ko kayo, which is true.
Alright.
Di ba? Anyway, I'm here because I would like to congratulate Joel and all the chill picnic organizer with Kuya Roman, because what happened here is we are Filipinos and we know we have to support ourselves. We have to make sure that we Filipinos are together. So anyway, a lot of people have been telling me, congratulations Senator, congratulations June, and I'm telling you what, congratulations po sa ating lahat ito, para ho sa ating lahat, kayo po ay aking papaglingkuran, masayang-masaya po sa inyo. So anyway, ito lang po ang masasabi ko. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. At ipagpatuloy po natin ang pagsasaya, ang pagsasama-sama nating lahat. So mabuhay po tayong lahat, mabuhay ang Pilipinos. Mabuhay po.
Mabuhay si Mr. June Enverga, Senator June Enverga, Tobias June Enverga.
Thank you very much.
Okay.